This is a really exciting, growing field. There are more jobs out there than we have graduates to fill them.
When I say biomedical engineering technology, they're like, hey, so you have to worry about like a lot of medicine and stuff, so you're dealing with like chemicals, like, no. It's more based off electrical components and everything in the electrical aspect in terms of troubleshooting, maintaining, repairing equipment. So if you like to work with your hands, this is basically for you.
You study the theoretical part of it, and during the lab, you practice the hands-on, and you start like combining between the two, like, oh, this is how it works, especially in the electronics and microprocessors.
Technology changes all the time. So in the biomedical program, we have 168 hours where the students learn from the clinical engineers and the biomed technicians in the hospitals.
When I was looking into this program and I saw that in the last semester there was a clinical internship, I knew that that was the foot in the door. I mean, being a graduate, that's huge, but being a graduate with internship experience, you can't get any better than that.
Employers come back to us all the time. They do see us as a pipeline for their employment. Every time I call a hospital, I hear from them how many current employees they have that are BFIT graduates.
The students really enjoy the opportunity to learn about cutting-edge technology. They enjoy working with hospital engineers and technicians. They enjoy the aspect that is helping people.
We start out small in the classroom where they're making maybe mini presentations. Then we build up where I'll start having some people from the outside come into the classroom. By the end, we build up to a final team project where they're presenting in one of our conference rooms to Ben Franklin administrators.
In my opinion, I do believe the affordability of Benjamin Franklin is very beneficial to me, especially if it fits my budget.
So if you're interested in technology, if you like helping people and you like puzzles, Ben Franklin Institute of Technology is the college for you.